Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. Today I was challenged by one of my Discord members to make a simulator shop using only Blender. Now, if you guys know anything about me or have ever watched some of my building streams, well, I kind of suck at making simulator shops, and when I do make them, I make them in Studio. I've never actually made a great shop in Blender, okay? So this is gonna be quite interesting, and let's give it a go. All right, first off, I need a theme, like a theme for a simulator, and I don't really have anything that needs a shop right now, so I'm gonna ask my Discord if anyone's making a simulator. Oh wait, I have a commission. I do have a commission I'm working on. I'm making it for them. I don't really know what their theme is. I think it's like candy-ish themed, so I'm going for that. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna grab this little cube, go into edit mode, and just scale it up a little bit. All right, and then I'm gonna drag the top down. This isn't really a tutorial type video, guys. This is more so hey, I challenged RoBuilder and he's not doing that great. But hey guys, oh my gosh, what am I doing? All right, there we go. So this kind of blocky guy can be our shop. We'll kind of scale him in a little bit like that, and I think this is a pretty good base, base look for the shop. Up next, I am going to just add probably another one of these, so Control D, and just, scale it down just a little bit. All right, and maybe a little bit more than that, actually. Drag it down, and I think I'm gonna do like that very classic simulator style shop, where I'll just drag this end down, and then I should probably drag the whole thing out a bit. All right, something like that. And then, of course, your boy is definitely going to need to bring this in, and then that thing back up, because it doesn't look exactly fantastical, okay? So, I'm going to get this guy. All right, there we go. Cool little start, okay? Cool little start. Bring that out just a little bit more. Now, I don't know if I want to do it good, or like, not good. I don't know if I want to do it like this on both sides, because I don't want it to look like every other simulator shop. So I'm going to just do Control D, duplicate this guy again. It's Shift D. I always get confused when I'm switching from Studio to Blender. And then I'm going to just scale it up like so, scale it higher like this, and then scale it skinny like this, all right? This will go over here, and it'll go up. All right, it's gonna be, I don't know, I'm really just building this off the top of my head, so I'm hoping it turns out cool, but I'm not gonna be surprised if it doesn't. And if it doesn't look cool, I won't be using it for the commission I'm doing right now, because you're not gonna get hired again if you give someone bad models. All right, so I'm gonna scale this in a little bit, something like that. I just don't want the two sides to match each other, so something like this I personally think looks pretty cool. Now, it is candy themed, so maybe make it look like cake icing or something on the top. To do that, I think I'm just gonna duplicate these again like that, drag it up, scale it out just a hair, and then grab this bottom face, boom, drag that guy up towards the top of the shop. This would be kind of like the roof looking thing. Drag it up a little bit higher, just wanting to cover this up. Nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead. What did I just do? Wow, that was a shortcut I never knew about. I'm going to do Control R, add these loop cuts in. We'll do something like this. Perfect, looking beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and grab these vertices and kind of just start playing with them. All of the corners can for sure go down. That will be about the only uniform thing that we have. So let's bring these corners down, something like this. And now we're just going to grab every other one. And I will go through and randomize these as well after I drag them down. Alright, so here's this, guys. I haven't randomized him yet, but I don't really overly know if it matters, and I don't know if it matters to do this side or not. But I will go ahead and do it, just see if I can click on these guys. Oh gosh, here we go. Wireframe. Every other one, boys. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. No laziness over here, alright? None of the laziness. Your boy's trying to get paid, alright? There we go. Drag these guys up. And, when I make all of this, shade smooth and everything like that, I think will be a-okay. I am going to grab, like, I don't know, like the middle ones of these. I'm trying to keep it nice, keep it clean. Nice. Grab those. Grab those. I grabbed one too many. Yikes. It's okay, though. Boom. All right. Now, click. Get rid of these guys. That's not what I want. And I'm going to just bring this guy up a hair, okay? And unclick that guy as well. bring it up a hair. So it's like this, all right? A little heightened. Looking beautiful, okay? I'm also going to bevel the edge like this. Just to kind of, I don't know, give it that more soft look, okay? A little bit softer. Now, I don't know if I want to repeat the process for over here or not, because I don't know if that would be overdoing it. So I think for this side, I'm going to try to make the roof a chocolate bar, because, you know, hey, why not? So, to make the chocolate bar, I'm going to go, oh gosh, I need to separate this. Let me just press L, P, selection, there we go. Going to go back into this guy, press tab, L on here. Nice, Shift D, boom. Now we got this guy. Flatten him out a little bit. I've never made a chocolate bar, but I'm about to right now, and it's going to be absolutely magical. I think you guys will love it. I'm going to do a loop cuts this way, and loop cuts this way, and I think I could just grab faces. Maybe, let me see. Definitely need to extrude these guys, like so. And I can't scale all at once or we're going to end up with this. So I'm going to have to scale each one individually. Just like this, guys. I had to actually get rid of my extruding as well. Because I have to do a new one or it's all going to go together. So just like this will be a cool little chocolate bar roof. And, you know, they won't all be exactly similar. Because I'm not the best with Blender yet, guys. I am definitely learning with you guys. And every time I learn something new, I like to share it with you guys. But we're going to do our best. I think this will look cool. This commission I'm working on, I still don't exactly know what the game is, like what the whole theme is supposed to be, but I'm really going for it, all right? I'm really going for it, and I'm thinking it's candy themed, so I'm sending it for the boys. All right, now we have this, like, chocolate bar thing right here, and I'm definitely gonna have to make that its own selection as well, so I'm gonna select it all, press P, go to selection, perfect. Now we got this guy, and it's time, bro. It's time. You're really a roof piece, man, you know what I'm saying? So let's rotate this. I think this kind of angle works. Let me put that. Oh, not even close, actually. I'm pretty horrible. There we go. I think this angle should work pretty good. And I don't know if I want to have it hanging off the building and touching the ground. I don't know if that'd be cool or ugly. Like this. Oh, wait. Yo, this might be cool. Hold on. I'm going to scale it in just a hair. So it's not clipping on those, but it's still bigger than this. All right. And I think I'm going to grab half of this and bend it down the side. I don't know, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to just go into wireframe mode, press B, and try to get this quick select going on. Nice, and not these guys. Awesome. Now, rotate. Let me get into, like, a crisp view, though. There we go. Rotate. I know it's looking bad right now. Just I need a second. I need a second. Boom. Okay, maybe. Let me go into solid mode. I mean, yeah, that doesn't look horrible, I don't think. So, it definitely, down here doesn't really work that well. So, let me go ahead and try to fix those as well. I'm going to go back into wireframe, press B. And I think what I'm going to do is bring this guy out here and up and scale it in. No, I don't necessarily think that works either, guys. Z, wireframe mode, and I think we're gonna have to delete these bottom ones. So I'm just gonna press B like this, delete, and then we're gonna have to probably fill this guy back in. Yep, right here. So we're gonna grab each of these vertices, or we can even click the lines. I'm just gonna click this line and press fill. There we go. It's beautiful, and then I'm gonna drag this guy down. I'm probably gonna have to drag like all of this down, so let's go back to wireframe, and it'll just be a big chocolate bar on this side. All right, guys, so there it is, a little chocolate bar. I think that's definitely a cool concept for a roof. I'm trying to be original here, okay? All right, and I got the side fixed a little bit too. So the other side, this guy right here, I don't even know. I genuinely don't even know what I want to do with this side. In fact, I don't know if I want, I'm gonna go quite a bit higher on this side. Like up high, like that. And I think I'm gonna make, like, a particle coming out of it. Just something cute. So, I'm gonna go ahead and extrude this, and then press S. And then I'm gonna extrude it again, kind of down. Nice. And I think I wanna go for a little bit softer of a look. So, let's go ahead and bevel. Something like that. And I think I'm gonna bevel the inside, too. You can't do too much, or you're gonna get some weird vertice issues. Should I bevel the sides? Oh, man. I'm gonna get myself into a mess. Alright, guys. So, I think I'm gonna have it like this. And this will be, like, where, you know, stuff comes out. I don't know if that's too big, though. Something's telling me, bro, that's massive. If this is a chimney, it needs to be like this, you know, like up top. So I think I'm gonna add it like that and have like 2 of them. Just be cute out here, okay? Your boy living that cute life. All right. Now, up next, maybe even lower actually. Something like just little poking things. All right. So we're gonna have it like that. Perfect. And we're probably gonna need to separate these guys just to make sure we're having a good little bit of color variation. Now, I won't be able to texture this shop in Blender because I have a very specific color palette I'm using, and it's Roblox Studio colors, and I just would rather be able to change the colors of it in Studio. Up next, your boy needs to make the doors, the windows. Oh, snap. Let's do windows first. Shift A. Give me a mesh. Give me a... Let's go a circle, dude. Feel like we can have some fun, right? Like, hey, your boy's trying to learn out here. We're gonna rotate this guy 90 degrees. Oh, wait. Whoa. Yeah, you gotta hold on, bro. I need to change the cylinder side, bro. Let's go... I want to go like 6. Yeah, let's go 6. There we go. And then I'm gonna do R90. Oh, geez. I'm not selecting the... Oh, gosh. R90, there we go, looking nice. And this guy is what I'm gonna make the windows. So I think easiest possible way, I'm gonna grab this side, I'm gonna grab this side, and I'm gonna shrink them in. I decided I'm only gonna do one side because it would be dumb if the windows were in the same spot on, you know, both things. But now I'm gonna make the little crossbar in here, and then a little window thing. So for the window, we'll just do Shift D on this. Boom, drag it out, and then do P selection, because that will need to be its own part to be colored in Studio. Now let's make our pillars with a box. You could probably fill it in with this, but once again, I'm a noob sometimes, you know? So, I'm gonna grab this guy, scale him down, scale it up this way, perfect, in this way, and in this way, right there. So we have a little beam now, and this guy is gonna be perfectly lined up, just like that. Now we're gonna need to rotate him as well. All right. Okay. I didn't think this one through. R90. There we go. Now Shift D. There we go. R90. Nice. And then we're just gonna do S and Y to scale this guy to kind of meet the sides out here. So here's our window. I think it's looking pretty good. Let's go back into object mode. This is an object and this is an object. Nice. Scale this back and put it on our wall. I think we could put one over here. Of course, scaled down. And I think I want this side to be the front. So we'll see how everything goes. Let me put this guy right here and probably move him out a little bit too. Like kind of a nice blocky guy. Shift D. And we're going to put one right on the other side directly across on this one. R180. There we go. Bring this guy back. And it only needs to be out far enough to where our window piece is not being covered. So something like this. All right, there we go. Now I think what I want to do, grab this guy, and this guy. Do I have it all? Nice. We're going to do Shift D. Perfect. And we're going to drag this guy over, make it a little bit bigger, go into my little view right here, R90. I don't know how I got all upside down. I'm going to tuck this guy into the wall and do sort of like a honeycomb design over here. I think that would be pretty cool. So we're going to grab this guy right here, move him, and then we'll do Shift D to duplicate this one, scale it down just a hair, bring him, oh no, give it back, there we go, bring him like over here, and make sure it's out far enough, of course, since we scaled it in. And then we'll do Shift D again, and put one right down here, which will be like bigger than both of them. I think that would look pretty cool. This might be a little too big. So something like this, guys. And of course, drag him into this wall. We don't want it to be sticking out super loads. Now, all we got left is a nice little door. So let's do Shift D, spawn in a new object. Oh gosh, not that. Shift A, there we go. My bad, your boy is a little bit tired. I'm not gonna lie. Mesh cube, perfect, there we go. And we're gonna make a nice, beautiful door. It's gonna be magnificent, probably the most magical door you've ever seen in your life. So we're just gonna press SX, get that scale going on. All right, gonna grab this guy, line him up with the bottom. Grab our top face, looking beautiful right here. Boom. And we're going to bevel these edges. Give it a nice, you know, a nice little curved look. I did not mean to grab the other ones. I just actually meant to grab the top ones. So that was my bad. Now we can bevel these edges. And there we go. Looking beautiful. Absolutely incredible and nice. And I think I'm just going to grab the whole guy. Shift D. Scale it up a little bit. All right. And drag this guy back. This is my first time making a shop in Blender, so just like, I'm trying for you boys, all right? There we go. And grab the bottom and bring it up like so. Perfect. We're looking good. And then these windows, of course, we can bring those guys back because we're going to probably want some on the front as well. So Shift D. Perfect. And I'm going to put one up here and maybe like right here. Shift D again. Drag it over to here. There we go, guys. This here is our shop, okay? I'm gonna go ahead, bring it into Studio, color it. Okay, we have a little bit of thing going on right here. Let me fix this up, and then I'll bring it in Studio. I'll see you guys in Studio. All right, guys, we're now in Studio with the shop, and of course, as always, we gotta go blue. All right, like I mean, a shop's blue. I am going for a more bright aesthetic in this game. And I'm gonna have to get my color palette back out to kind of match everything together. Alright, so our chocolate brown is gonna go ahead and be... Let me see, guys. I got... Alright, 675 D2F. There we go. That's our... It's a real ugly chocolate, honestly. But you know what? It's gonna have to work because that's kind of the color palette for the game. So, icing we might do in pink. These guys, I'm going to go ahead and make all of them the same brown as the chocolate and the same brown as this door trim. Oh my god, it's so weird going from Studio to... Okay, I'm good. It just took me a minute. It just took me a little second. I'm all good, guys. It's no, okay, I might not be... I'm so bad going from Studio to to Blender. So all of these guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make that same color. Just have a little bit of a matchy. You already know. I'm gonna make this the same color as well, but I'm gonna go right here and liven it up just a bit. All right, maybe something like that. Looks pretty good to me. And I might do the same for the windows now that I'm thinking about it. So let me get all of these windows. It's gonna be kind of a hassle. Alright, I've got all of the windows, and I think I'm going to do the same thing just because it does go to a pretty bright color if I go ahead and bump these up, but it'll definitely still be in the same little family, and of course, neon for these guys. Perfect right there. And the top, I'm going to go pink. I do have a pink on the color palette. It's a more vibrant pink, so let me go ahead and get the letters for that. We have FC74CC. There we go. Okay, and these guys up top, maybe we'll bring back this brown. I think that looked pretty good because then it's kind of coming from this side. It'll be back over to this side as well. I think that should be pretty good. I think this looks like a nice little shop, guys. Just saying, like, bro. Now, I can't show you guys the map just yet, but you know what? Here's the shop. Your challenge has been accepted. Make a shop using only Blender. There it is, man. I hope you guys like it. Have a wonderful day. Later.